Hello, my name is Stewart. I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. I specialize in renovating lawns and aerating, seeding, fertilizing, and thatching of lawns. LawnTuneUps.com. Getting a call now from a lot of landscapers wondering what's happening within the industry. Why are fertilizer prices so high? Well, last year, China stopped exporting phosphates that are used for making fertilizers, whether it's for lawns or whether it's for crops. And they just didn't have enough fertilizer for their own people, so that's why they did that. And then in fall of last year, it was Hurricane Ida knocked 11 fertilizer plants here in the U.S. on the East Coast offline for a while. So that didn't help the situation at all. After getting minerals down from Canada, the railway system is currently on strike. So we can't get our minerals from Canada. And then we get a lot of potash, about I think 15% of our potash from Ukraine and Russia. Obviously, we are not getting that either. And in February, a big fertilizer plant burned up with 600 tons of finished fertilizer. And I have noticed the fertilizer prices. I buy multiple tons at a time when I purchase my fertilizer, so I'm lucky. I'm aerating, seeding, and fertilizing this lawn here, and I'm using a starter fertilizer, 60% slow release with a complete nutrient package. And I can't even buy that right now, and I'm glad to have it. I just am. And so if you're wondering why fertilizer prices are going up, that is why. That's just part of the reason. We don't even have enough fertilizer for many of our crops that are being planted. I've been watching this all winter. The states have been talking to our planting states, in the Midwest and stuff like that. And the states there have been telling their farmers to do soil tests and things like that. But this fertilizer shortage is predicted to go on for at least another year. And there you go. Now you know what I know. This is Stewart with the Aerating and Thatching Company. And hey, thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.